Hi, everyone. Are you planning to travel abroad soon and want to learn English to communicate fluently at airports? I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. Today we're talking about airports, a topic every traveler needs.
That's right. If you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss our lessons. Let's start.
Anna, when I arrive at the airport, what should I say first?
Good question. You can say, "Where is the check-in counter?" Check-in means the place where you register for your flight.
And what happens at check-in?
The staff will ask, "Can I see your passport, please?" You answer, "Here you go." Then they give you a boarding pass, your ticket to get on the plane.
What if I have a suitcase?
You say, "I'd like to check this bag." Check means put it under the plane. Small tip, always be polite. Say please and thank you. It makes everything smoother.
Got it. Is check-in the same as check-in?
Good catch. Check-in is the verb, the action. Check-in is the noun, the place or the process. For example, "I need to check in," or "Where is check-in?"
That's helpful. What about security?
At security, staff say, "Please remove your shoes and laptop." You can ask, "Do I need to take off my belt?" Remember these words: security, scanner, and boarding pass.
How do I find my gate?
Look for signs or ask, "Which gate is my flight?" A gate is where you board the plane. Try repeating that with me. Which gate is my flight?
Which gate is my flight? Got it. What if I need help?
Just say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Airport staff are usually friendly. Don't be shy. Confidence matters more than perfect grammar.
That's reassuring. One more question. What's the difference between a gate and a terminal?
Great question. A terminal is a big building. A gate is a small door inside the terminal where you actually board your plane. So you walk through the terminal to reach your gate.
That makes sense now. What about buying food?
Easy. Say, "Can I get a coffee, please?" Or, "I'll have a sandwich, please." Simple and polite.
What if my flight is late?
You might hear, "Flight 205 is delayed," or "The gate has changed." Useful words: delay, gate change, announcement. Always check the screens.
That happened to my friend once. Stressful.
It happens. Just listen carefully and ask staff, "Has my flight been delayed?" if you're unsure.
Now boarding? What do they say?
You'll hear, "Now boarding, rows 20 to 30. That means it's your turn to get on the plane. Have your boarding pass ready.
And on the plane, talking to the flight attendant, you can say, "Could I have some water, please?" Or, "Where is seat 14A?" Flight attendants are there to help, so don't hesitate.
Quick pronunciation tip?
Sure. Say flight with a clear F sound, not plight. Practice slowly. Flight, flight, flight.
Flight. Got it. What about landing?
After landing, you go through immigration. An officer might ask, "What's the purpose of your visit?" You answer, "Tourism" or "business."
That sounds a bit scary.
It's normal. Answer simply and honestly. Short answers are perfectly fine.
Then I get my bags?
Yes, you go to baggage claim. Look at the screen for your flight number and watch for your suitcase.
And finally, leaving the airport?
You can ask, "Where is the taxi stand?" Or, "How do I get to the city center?" Simple questions dig help.
Wow, that's a lot. But it makes sense now.
Let's review the key expressions: check-in, boarding pass, security, gate, delay, boarding, immigration, and baggage claim.
Everyone, try saying these words out loud right now. Practice really helps.
That's it for today's episode of StartSpeak English. Remember, airport English isn't scary. It's just a few key phrases.
Practice them, and you'll feel confident on your next trip.
Anna, if you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like this video, subscribe to StartSpeak English, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
And tell us in the comments, where would you like to travel? We'd love to know.
Thanks for learning with us today. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Safe travels.